Admonition. Meaning: admonition means a warning or gentle reprimand given to correct someone's behavior or actions. Definition: admonition is a noun that refers to an act of cautioning, advising, or reminding someone of their mistakes in a constructive way. Examples in sentences. 1. The manager's admonition encouraged the team to meet their deadlines responsibly. Here, admonition refers to the manager's gentle warning to improve work performance. 2. Despite the teacher's repeated admonitions, Peter continued to talk during class. In this sentence, admonitions are the teacher's repeated warnings about Peter's behavior. Usage. Admonition is commonly used in situations where a gentle yet firm reminder or advice is given to improve or prevent undesirable behavior.
English practice.